Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to untag yourself on Facebook. So let's begin the video. Log in into Facebook and locate the post or photo where you have been tagged. You can find it on your timeline or use the activity log under your profile settings to quickly locate the tagged content. Once you have found the post or photo, click on it to open the full view. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the options menu, choose Remove Tag. This will remove your name from the post or photo and it will no longer be linked to your profile or appear on your timeline. If prompted, confirm the action by selecting Remove or Confirm. The tag will be removed and you will no longer be associated with the post. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.